How to fix lag on Android. Don't worry. Let me show you a few simple things you can do to improve its performance. First, open the Settings app on your Android. Next, scroll down and tap Software Update. Then tap Download and Install. If an update is available, install it, as software updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Now, here's an important step. Go back to Settings, then tap Battery and Device Care, and select Storage. Check if your phone has enough free space. If your storage is almost full, delete unnecessary files, unused apps, or large videos to free up space. After that, go back to Battery and Device Care and tap Memory. Then tap Clean Now to free up RAM and close background apps. And that's it. These simple steps should help your Android run smoother and reduce lag. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android how-to tutorials.